Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hitman World of Assassination game stuck on loading screen or not loading, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing is to check the system requirements so that you can play the game hassle free. So you have to first check the system requirements. For that you have to search for the game, and after that you have to go below and Steam, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So after checking the system requirements, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option. After that, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection. So click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list over here, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. Make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for update. This will check and update if there is any update available for your Windows, and after updating your Windows, now launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general, here you have to type -t. Here you have to type -tx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if this also doesn't work, then you have to paste this -skip underscore launcher. I have already given this in the description. You just have to copy and paste over here in the launch option and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove this and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, or simply you can right click on the game, select properties, and under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on get icon beside username, click on general, switch off enable in-game overlay options, and then check if it's working. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads. Here click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on a repair, click on yes, wait for some time, and after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and after your PC restarts again, log into the game and check. Proceed. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. If not, next method is to move game to SSD. Make sure your game is installed on SSD. If it is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So you can check it by going through Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or not. If not, and if your game is installed on another drive, you have to simply select it. After that, click on move option and move the game to SSD, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to delete temp files. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp and press enter. So whatever the temp files you will get, you simply have to select them and then click on the delete icon. So after deleting all the temp files, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for task manager. Now from here you have to check which apps are running in the background without any use. You have to simply close them. So you have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclocking. So you should stop overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background. It improved gaming performance but can keep your game unstable. So it's better to lower back to the default settings and then try and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that you have to click on add a desktop app. After that you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall HITMAN World of Assassination game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts again, launch Steam and reinstall HITMAN World of Assassination game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working.